Alright, here we go. Driving down this dirt road, I've got a feeling today's gonna be something special. Got a tip about an abandoned Rolls Royce out here. Can you believe it? A Rolls just sitting here, forgotten. And there it is. Look at this place. It's like a graveyard for cars. Is that beauty waiting for me here? Today I'm gonna bring this Rolls Royce back to life. These wheels have seen better days. You know, there's something about finding luxury among all this chaos. It's like discovering a diamond in the rough. The fuel hose isn't connected to the carburetor, and that's a big problem since fuel can't reach the engine. Everything looks pretty standard so far, but I need to understand what happened here. Why would someone just leave a car like this? Alright, stepping back to see the bigger picture. This whole area is just filled with abandonment. There she is, the Rolls Royce. Look at that emblem. Even covered in dirt, you can still see the elegance. All these labels feel unreal. Someone rich once drove this car and it's loaded with bags from fancy boutiques. Check out this gold chain. It's huge, shiny, and looks absolutely amazing. All these expensive accessories belong to the previous owner. Everything about this car screams wealth. But why did they abandon a car like this? Wait, what's this? Found some sort of toy or trinket. Maybe belonged to the owner's kid? Rich people always have the weirdest stuff in their cars. Here's even more packages from luxury boutiques, overflowing and showing off all that expensive style. Let me examine this more closely. It's colorful, definitely expensive looking. I wonder what story this little thing could tell us about who owned this Rolls Royce. Unbelievable, a gold shoe with spikes on the toe. This is something else entirely. The next level of extravagance, totally outrageous and bold. These controls here, they're for the climate system. Even the smallest details in a Rolls Royce are designed with precision and elegance. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's actual money in here. Someone left cash in this abandoned Rolls Royce. This is absolutely crazy. And there's more, dollars too. What kind of person abandons a luxury car with money inside? The mystery just keeps getting deeper and deeper. Let me count this out. We've got euros, we've got dollars. This is wild. What do you guys think happened here? Drop your theories in the comments. I'll probably tuck this away in a distant pocket just in case someone shows up hunting for the abandoned Rolls Royce. Found another wallet. This is like a treasure hunt inside a Rolls Royce. Every item tells a piece of the story. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what this engine looks like. Time to get our hands dirty. But before that, check your subscription to the channel. I'm checking the engine's hydraulic reservoir to make sure the fluid level is right, it's clean, and there are no leaks. This component here has some wear, but nothing too bad. I'm actually feeling optimistic about getting this Rolls Royce running again. The battery's missing and the terminals are just sitting there doing nothing. This won't work. Needs to be fixed. Got all my tools ready here. Need everything organized for this job. Hooking up the battery now. With the battery in decent shape, we might actually have a chance here. Here's my professional toolkit. When working on a luxury car like a Rolls Royce, you need quality instruments. No shortcuts allowed. Working on this connection here. Every bolt, every fitting needs to be checked. That's the difference between a car that runs and one that doesn't. I'm clamping the terminal onto the car's frame. This will serve as the ground. The engine block actually looks salvageable. Someone maintained this car at some point. The question is, why did they abandon it? Selecting the right socket for this job. Every component needs the proper tool. Forcing anything could damage these irreplaceable parts. Alright, let's see if we can fire it up and check the power. No key? Guess a screwdriver will have to do. Power's on, the indicators are lighting up. The starter's spinning, but it won't catch. There's just no spark. And on top of that, no fuel's reaching the carburetor, and I haven't even filled the tank yet. I'm pouring some gas into the tank. The underside looks pretty rough. Everything's rusty, barely holding together, and now there's even a fuel leak. Working with this green component here. I think it's part of the ignition system. Gotta be gentle with these vintage parts. Alright, I'm gonna need, definitely some radiator water, and I'll grab my tools too. Back under the hood. These hoses connect the cooling system. I need to make sure everything flows properly before attempting to start. Checking every single connection. Patience is key with restoration work. Rush it and you'll be doing it all over again. Alright, let's hook this part up to that hose and get it all linked together. Alright, the hose will feed right in, and then I'll have to stash this jerry can somewhere closer to the carburetor. All these wires and connections, it's like the nervous system of the car. One wrong move and you could cause all sorts of problems. Now I'm attaching the wire to the starter coil. I'm draining the water, and then I'll pour some gas in here. I'm securing the fuel hose in this makeshift fuel tank. Look at the state of this engine. It's dirty, it's been neglected, but underneath all that grime is a machine waiting to roar back to life. I'll hold the tank in place for now with this old broken off clamp. I'm connecting the hose to the carburetor. Perfect. Now I'll check the electronics and everything seems fine. Each of these colored fuses protects a different system. We need them all working for a successful start. Inside the restored Rolls Royce now, I think this deserves a channel subscription. After all, I'm dreaming of hitting 100,000 subscribers. Gotta put the engine cover back on so the oil doesn't spill everywhere. I'm giving the carburetor a little gas by hand. Perfect. Now I'm closing the hood. And of course, I'm closing the main fuel tank cap and getting ready for a test drive. Our Rolls Royce sitting there among the emptiness, from abandoned luxury to hopeful restoration. What a journey this has been so far. And here we are on the move. Awesome. Let's take this Rolls Royce for a spin. Hands on the wheel, looking out at the road ahead. I can almost imagine what it felt like when this car was new and perfect. It's driving smooth and easy, and the steering feels really precise. Driving now. We actually got it moving. Can you believe it? This abandoned Rolls Royce is actually rolling down the road. Watching that speedometer climb from 0 to highway speeds. This is the moment we've been working towards all day long. The scenery passing by through the windshield. After all that work, there's nothing quite like the reward of actually driving your restoration project. Alright, let's wrap up this video. Let's take one last look at the fully restored rich guy's Rolls Royce. There she is. Our Rolls Royce stopped on this dusty road. Even with problems, she still looks majestic against this landscape. Thanks for watching this adventure. Subscribe for more restorations and let me know in the comments what car you want to see next.